Hey everyone, have you ever struggled to set up Arch Linux in your Windows 11? Today I'm going to show you how to do it effortlessly in your Virtualbox. Stick around and by the end of this video, you will be running Arch Linux like a pro. So let's get started. You can see this is the Arch Linux official website, and also we need one thing, that is a Oracle Virtualbox over there. Now this is the official website, you can download it from here. So I will download it on this host because I used Windows OS. But if you have used Mac OS or Linux, you can download it from here. And also we need VirtualBox extension pack, and you can simply download from it there. I have downloaded before, that's why I will not do it again. So let's show you how to download Arch Linux from there. You can simply scroll down and select your any server. I will select my Bangladesh server over there. You can click on it, and if I click on this, so it will download or start it automatically. So I will not download it again. And after installation VirtualBox, you can see the dashboard over there, and we have to import our ISO file. So let's create a new. Now simply select your name as you want. I will select the default name. Okay, now you can see there are option of ISO images. So just you can see I have already downloaded, so I will select from this. Okay, now we have to do from hardware. Just select hardware. You can see the default is 1 GB, but I will select more because it will take memory more. So I will select 4 GB. Okay, and processor will be 2 CPU, and you can see the hard disk over there. Just I will increase the hard disk to 30 GB. Okay, finished. Now we have to do one thing more. Go to settings and click on network, and you can see the attached net to bridge adapter. And also we will increase our video memory to 128 megabyte. Click on OK. Now let's click on start. Okay, simply use this thing, Arch Linux install medium. Just hit enter. So here you can see we have to put a command over there. Just type arch install and hit enter. Now you can see our packages already started to installing. So we have to wait for a minute because we will go to a next step on Arch Linux dashboard, and we have to set more settings over there. Just wait for a minute. Now you can see this is the option, we have to select more. Now you can see Arch install languages, so you can select as per your language. I will select the default English, and you can see the locales. You can see the keyboard layout. I will go for the default, and you can see the mirrors and repositories. Just hit enter and select your region. So I will select Bangladesh, and other one I will select Singapore. Okay, just back, and you can see the disk configuration. Just click on enter and again enter and click. Now select ext4 and now go to back, and swap is already enabled, so I will go for it. And bootloader will be grab, and set your host name. Okay, I will select the root password. I just add another user, and we have to set the permission super user. Yes, and confirm and exit. Now click on profile, type and set to desktop, and select this GNOME and just back. Audio will be the pipewire. Kernel is the default, and network just hit enter. And additional packages you can select as you want, but I will select Git. So type just. Okay, you can select the time zone also. So I will select the default. Okay, now just hit on install, and yes, now it will formatting the Virtualbox hard drive, and it will trying to create a partition also, and trying to install this on Virtualbox. So we have to take a lots of minute because it will trying to install for a long time. So we have to wait 15 minutes, I think. So just wait. So here you can see our installation already completed, and it's take really lots of time, but no problem. So let's reboot our system. So we are going to power off our VirtualBox, and we have to do one more thing that is very important. If you don't do this, your installation will not work. So we have to go on storage, and you can see the ISO file. We have to delete this from here and click on OK. Let's get start again. Now it will work perfectly. Just hit enter. Okay, now you can see our username is here. Just hit enter and put your password. Okay, now here is our Arch Linux installed successfully. So if this video will work for you, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and thank you so much.